Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm very excited to actually show you the EcoXgear Defender. This one is the new product of EcoXgear. They are looking to actually get they managed to pack 100 watts into a small case, make it very good boom, and on top of that it's just waterproof and very easy to carry. So they do have other lines of products where it's 100 watts, it's a big speaker, you can roll it around like a suitcase, right? So this one is basically what they wanted to do. I'm guessing it's just make it, and make it smaller, tie fit it, and just take it to the water, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the box first. Over here we have that it's 121 decibels, 25 hours of playtime, IP67, that means that it's waterproof. On top of that, we have a very cool box design, right? So it's not squared, it is this shape. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick tour of the box so you guys can actually see it. We have a flashlight on it included as well. It's also a bottle opener. And on the back, we have all the good stuff of what's on this unit, right? So you have the measurements. It's about 15.3 inches against 9.6 and 6.7 deep, right? So we have a bunch of details over here. Basically, I can tell you that it's waterproof, it's dustproof. You can just put it in the water, put it in the sand, it really doesn't matter. It's good to go, right? It's designed in Texas. We have their customer service contact just in case if you guys need something of them. And over here we have the top box. We have EcoCast. So that means basically that this unit will pair with all other products of EcoXgear and Sound Extreme that have EcoCast. You can connect up to 50 of them. So if you want to pick one or more, that will be perfect. You can pair two smartphones at the same time and play without issues. So you can swap music between your friends. We have the equalization, which will give you different profiles of music if you are inside or outside, or if you want to do karaoke with it, you can also do it that way. And LED cast built in, right? So that means that you can just use the lights on it, or you can use their app in order to select which lighting will be on the speaker. So without further ado, I'm gonna take this box away and let me take the speaker out. Let me turn it on, and let me show you what is inside the box, which we have the user manual, very important, so you can just go over exactly what your speaker can do. We have the little warranty card, which is electronic now, and we have a sticker, very cool for swag, and the power cord, which this power cord and power adapter included is about 18 with 10 amps, right? So that will give enough juice to the unit. All right, without any further ado, let me show you the unit right here. So you guys have the flashlight on it, so you have different intensities, you have the bottle opener, and finally we have the unit right in front of you so you guys can see it. So regarding lighting, all you have to do to use the lights, it's just press the button. You can change to the different settings, or you can also do that on the app. I would love to show you the sound of this unit. I can tell you, it's great. Don't take my word for it. You can just buy one and test it for yourself. It's great, but I don't have the necessary tools to actually show you and transmit the sound that it's coming from this thing into a video, so you guys can actually hear the real volume and the real clarity of the speaker. So I'll much rather just, if I record it with my current setting, it will just sound like like a to $5 speaker, which I'm trying to actually show you the real thing, but I really don't have the right tools for that, so I'm terribly sorry for it. What I can show you, and as I did find online, a test audio from a third-party company that they did actually a comparison between this and like a similar speaker from their competitors. So basically that will actually give you some hints of how good this unit is, and you know where you can pick it up. Right now it's exclusive to Bass Pro and Cabelas. You can also find it on their website. I'll give you the links below so you can actually check it out. For EcoXgear, they offer a 30-day return window, so you can test them out, and they have a 1-year warranty on all of their products. So I'm pretty sure that you won't have any issues, but if you do, they will be more than happy to help you. Let me know if you guys have any questions, about this unit. I do have it right here, so I can test the heck out of it, and you just answer all your comments. But for right now, this is what I wanted to show you, a quick unboxing of the Defender. This unit really amazed me on how good the volume is, and you can actually just select the best equalization for where you're using it on. If it's indoors or outdoors, it has a setting for that. And besides that, the fact that you can connect up to 50 units of this or any other, EcoXgear products with EcoCast, it makes it very versatile. Besides that, you can take it tailgating, you can take it camping, you can take it to the beach. It's waterproof and dustproof, so you don't have to worry about it. And if anything goes wrong, please contact their customer service team. They'll be more than happy to help you. With that, I leave you the EcoXgear Defender so you guys can actually see it over here. And hope you guys have I'm sorry about that, but hope you guys have a great day. And let me know if you have any questions about the unit. I do have it right here, so I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Have a great day.